Universal Design for Learning by Hunter Sanders. What is it? Barriers are when children get stuck in the middle of learning a lesson. These barriers can occur during lessons or activities. In order for us to help our students through these, we must plan ahead and come up with strategies to aid them. This can either be lessons broken up or an alternative testing center. It just depends on the student, and these are called universal design learning. An overview of this is a UDL is a plan set to aid students in order to help them succeed in school. It offers flexible learning for students who might need extra time to pick up content, and it offers spaces for students who need to feel more comfortable while testing. Okay. Oh, back up. I want it back up. Back up. Sorry, I'm having technical difficulties. Okay, there we go. Examples of UDLs would be giving students regular feedback on how they're doing, offer different workspaces for students, giving students options on how they want to go about demonstrating their knowledge, and then post lesson plans ahead, and this way students have an idea of what to expect. Okay, there we go. And then how would you plan a UDL? Here are some steps that might help you. Know your students' strengths and weaknesses. Share content, a variety of media. Take advantage of software supports. Learn from others' mistakes. If you see a teacher who was trying to aid a student and it didn't end up working for that student, try to come up with other ways. There are low and no tech options in the UDL world. Offer choices for how students can demonstrate their knowledge about the content, and then use digital materials when possible. And that is it for UDLs.